After a clinic is added to the Alnova AI platform, clinic staff, doctors, and admins can access the clinic web application by going to portal alnovaai.com. First, select your clinic from the list and enter the clinic portal. Then enter your login credentials, including your email address and password, and click Login to access your dashboard. You can select Remember Me to save your login information on your device. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions to reset it. Now let's log in to the platform. This is the main dashboard of the clinic. At the top of the dashboard, you can see the number of missed appointments for today, the number of patients for today, and the total number of patients. The weekly schedule is also shown on the main dashboard, along with appointments. On the right side, you can view the calendar, choose a specific day, and review treatment and appointment details for that day. If there are any missed appointments today, they will appear in the Missed Appointment section. Doctors and clinic admins can invite patients and staff directly from the platform. To add a patient, click Add Patient, enter the patient's email address, and click Invite. If you want to remove a patient, enter the patient's email address and click Remove. The same process can be used to invite or remove doctors and staff. When you are done, click Overview to return to the main dashboard. To add staff, click Add Staff, enter the staff email address, and send the invitation. Next, let's review notifications. The platform includes a set of notification templates. These can be used to send email notifications to patients. Select a specific patient and click Send under the notification you want to use. If you want to edit the content of a notification, click Edit, update the wording, and click Save. If you want to send a general notification to all patients, go to All Patients, select All Patients, and click Send. You can also filter patients by categories such as overdue treatments or missed appointments, then send notifications to those patients. For a specific patient, open the patient selection and send any of the available notifications. Now let's review appointments. There are two main appointment types: consultation and treatment. If you have a new patient and want to schedule a consultation, open the Consultation tab. Select the patient, or use the search bar to find the patient by name. If your clinic has more than one doctor, select the appropriate doctor. You can also assign a staff member to the consultation appointment. Then choose the date and time. Set the duration in minutes or hours. You can also select a color and add a note for the appointment. When you click Schedule, the patient receives a notification. Then you can return to the Overview page, where the dashboard updates automatically. You can hover over the appointment to view details such as the doctor, staff, and notes. Click More to open the appointment details. From there, you can view the patient ID, patient name, and consultation details. If you want to see more information about the patient, click View to open the patient page. On the patient page, you can see the patient's photo if available, personal information, notes, and uploaded documents. Now let's return to appointments and review treatments. If the patient is starting treatment, open the treatment section and choose New for the first treatment. Select the treatment type, for example, root canal. Set the number of treatment steps or sessions. Select the appliance if applicable. Choose the patient, assign the doctor and staff, and define the relevant tooth number or tooth numbers for the treatment. Then choose the treatment date and time. Set the duration, select a color, and add a note. When you click Schedule, the patient receives an update notification. If you return to the Overview page and select the appointment date, you will see the treatment appointment shown on the schedule. You can open the treatment and review the treatment details. When the patient attends the appointment, the treatment roadmap progress updates from 0 to 1 completed session. For upcoming treatment appointments, clinic staff can click View and then confirm the appointment, update it, or cancel it if needed. Once the appointment is confirmed, the patient may receive rewards. You can also search for a treatment using the treatment ID. For example, open the patient page, find the latest treatment, open the details, copy the treatment ID, then return to appointments and search by ID. If you want to schedule a follow-up treatment for the same treatment plan, go to Follow Up. Select the patient, then choose the active treatment. Assign the doctor and staff, select the date and duration, choose a color, and click Schedule. Then return to the Overview page to see the follow-up appointment on the selected date. You can repeat this process for consultations, new treatments, and follow-up treatments for any patient using the Appointments page. Next, let's review the Patients page. On the Patients page, you can see the full list of patients in the clinic. If there are overdue treatments, they will appear under overdue treatments. If there are missed appointments, they will appear under missed appointments. For each patient, you can also use the chat section to message existing users or start a new chat with patients, doctors, or clinic staff. To open a patient's page, click the arrow next to the patient. On the patient page, you can add notes at any time. For example, you can write a note such as, "This patient requires special assistance," and save it. You can edit notes later whenever needed. You can also upload patient images and documents and keep them in the patient record. If the patient uploads photos of their teeth or mouth using the Alnova AI mobile app, those photos will appear in the patient profile. You can also view the latest treatment information from the patient profile and click More to review previous treatments. If the patient has rewards or missed appointments, that information will also be shown in the patient profile. At any time, you can click the Patients tab to return to the full patient list and open other patient records. In the Guides section, you can see a list of guides that have already been uploaded. These guides are available for patients to watch or review. Guides and resources help patients stay informed by watching videos or reading documents. If you want to create your own guide, enter a title, description, and tags. Then choose a thumbnail file if available, select a video file, and click Create. Next, let's review resources. In the Resources section, you can view educational resources already available, or create your own educational resources and upload them for patients. Now let's review rewards. On the Rewards tab, you can see the clinic leaderboard, including the top patients with the highest reward points. For example, if a patient has 200 points, those points may come from completed activities such as confirmed appointments. Open the Challenges section to manage reward challenges. You can change the score, update the description, or delete an existing challenge. You can also add a new challenge. For example, you can add a challenge for appointment confirmed, assign a score, add a description, and save it. Then return to the challenges list or the leaderboard to review updates. Now let's review the Settings section, which is very important. As a doctor or clinic admin, you can manage missed appointment notifications, assign admins, and invite or remove clinic users. To send missed appointment notifications automatically, make sure the missed appointment notification toggle is turned on. If you turn it off and save, missed appointment notifications will not be sent automatically, and clinic staff or admins will need to send them manually. It is recommended to keep this option turned on. As a doctor or admin, you can also add other admins to the clinic. Enter the email address of the person you want to assign as admin and send the invitation. You can also remove an existing admin at any time. In the same way, you can invite or remove staff, doctors, and patients. The Settings page also shows the list of doctors and staff. You can filter to show only admins or show all staff members. The Settings page provides the same invitation and management functions as the quick actions available in the Overview section. Users can also access the end-user license, the latest privacy policy, and support information for the Alnova AI app.